Welcome to the Ports and Shipping News from Visakhapatnam. Fincantieri and Comau to develop robotic system of welding. Italian Fincantieri has signed a letter of intent with the Italian robotics company Comau to develop robotic and other solutions for shipbuilding and other heavy constructions applications. Fincantieri and Comau are the joint force in development of robotic system capable of handling steel welding projects of Fincantieri shipyard. Comau, a market leader in industrial robotics, is currently a part of car maker Stellantis and has a history going back to beginning of automotive robotics in 1970s. The company says that have already begun development on an anthropomorphic building. Tests will start at Fincantieri's yard by first half 2020. This partnership is an important innovation for shipbuilding industry, said the Fincantieri's General Manager Fabio Galli. As part for the improving the safety of workers and their ergonomic working conditions, these solutions will enable great progress in pursuing the competitiveness of our production system. Moreover, looking to the future, the possibilities of developing of projects together with Comau is a great opportunity to further broaden the group's range of competencies. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.